If you subscribed, you got 5 seconds to do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Have you done it? You clicked on the big red button down below? Yeah? Okay, let's get into it. Welcome back to another video. Yeah, so as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, today I'm going to be showing you a few simple methods on how to never run out of YouTube video ideas. So without further ado, let's get into it. So before I show you these few simple methods, I just want to say to the people that have been commenting on my reaction videos, I can't do the song that you've been requesting, the M-Way being that with Dax in it, because if you go onto other YouTube videos which people put in the comments saying, oh, there's big YouTubers out there that have done it, but yeah, if you go onto their videos, click on the description, go down to the bottom, you'll see music in this video, Dax featuring M-Way featuring Dax, and then it says all the rights go to Dax and obviously M-Way. So I don't want to react to that one because I don't want no copyright on my channel. There's no copyright intended here at all. So anyway, let's get into the video. I'm going to show you how to never run out of YouTube video ideas with these two simple methods. There's two different sections going which you're going to see come up on screen around here, and you'll be able to see it for yourself. This is for anyone that has already got a channel and wants some ideas, or anyone that's deciding to make a channel. They're also for them as well. So the first site is called biteable.com /blog/inspiration/YouTube video ideas. You can see it on screen now. There's a whole list of different videos. Obviously it gives you the 5 basic ones, which is getting to know you, basically introducing yourself, making a video introducing yourself, telling everyone who you are, what you're going to do, what people can expect to see on your channel, how often you're going to post your videos, make a welcoming video, like welcoming people to your channel, basically branding yourself, let them know what they can expect, try to give viewers a compelling reason to hit subscribe, why they want to hit subscribe and why they want to stay around. Number 2, introduce your organisation, your business, or if you're working on behalf of a company or a non-profit company, make a video introducing your business and what you do, what you're about, what you're going to do, what you're going to bring to the platform. Number 3, meet the team, create a video introducing viewers to the people that make your organisation run. So back to step 2. It's basically step 2 and 3 are basically the same. And then step 4, you can start a vlogging channel. You can do daily vlogs or day in the life of, to do entertainment, educational vlogs. You can do business ones as well. Because basically there's a lot of vlogging channels out there and it's very competitive. Because obviously engaging with the viewers, as well as engaging with yourself. Step 5, you can do an explainer video, basically explaining an app, a produce, business, a company, and YouTube's a great place to do that. Number 6, you can do a tour video, let viewers have a peek behind the scenes. Maybe you can give a tour of your house or your neighbourhood or your workplace, your office, or anywhere that you love going to. Or like I said a minute ago, you can do a day in the life of. YouTubers like, you know, walking around in other people's shoes, a day in the life. They do a lot of day in the life videos. You can start recording when you wake up, then show your viewers your typical day routine until you go to bed. That's number 7. Number 8, you can do like culture videos showcasing organisations' culture, basically back up to number 2 and 3. Number 9, you can do behind the scenes of your business, basically 8, 9, 2 and 3 all combined together. Number 10, you can introduce your family or friends. Basically just turn your camera on, obviously with their permission of course, and introduce your audience to the people closest to you. You can do 50 facts about yourself, let your audience know and everyone on the platform know 50 interesting facts about yourself. You can do draw my life, like just sketch your life, what's been going on, basically make it fast motion of course, or you can do like a time lapse of it. Jake Paul's done one, obviously, like here look, draw my life Jake Paul, everyone knows who it is anyway. Right, down to the educational or tutorial YouTube video. You can do a DIY video if you're handy around the house, or you love to do arts and crafts. You can basically do one of those, like teaching you step by step how to create whatever you're creating on the video, whatever you're making. You can do how-to videos, basically how to rewire electrics, how to, you know, change a tyre, how to, I don't know, anything to do with tech or whatever it is you want to do, or your favourite song, or how to play a guitar or any instrument or this and that, you get the drift. 15, you can do cooking videos, basically show people how to prepare your favourite meal, or you know, bring out some new ideas that no one's seen. That's more for like people, that's more for like foodies, like who want to watch that really. That's number 15. Number 16, you can do a product tutorial, like basically just like teach people how to use this product, teach them how to use the app. Basically you're engaging with them anyway, because obviously when you're making the video you're engaging with them. 17, explain a concept, basically a theory or relativity or a maths problem. 18, you can do a workout video, basically gym. This is for like gym lovers. 19, a webinar, that's more like for the American side of people. Presentation, I'm not really into that presentation thing, but that's another idea. Number 20, infographic video. Infographics are engaging and visually appealing way to display facts and statistics that might otherwise be dry or difficult to understand. Here's a great example. Obviously, as usual, I'll link it below so you can go over and look yourself. How long we've been recording for? 8 minutes. So, whiteboard video, I've heard of these, but I don't really know too much about them. They are an engaging way to convey complex ideas and are appealing to viewers. A Q&A, there's a lot of people that do a Q&A, like question and answer videos. Bust some myths. Here's one. Product reviews, like you can review a mobile phone, you can review a laptop, a console, review a car, any tech, any popular subjects, beauty products. You can review literally any product, but the next method I'm going to show you will help you with all these videos, because it is a very good site to use. It's called Google Trends. Basically you go on it, you type in keywords, titles that people have used. You can search it back to a year, 90 days, 30 days. Obviously you can try and find your own unique video title that's not been brought to the platform yet. Number 25, you can do a movie review, book review. That's 26. 27, game review, like gaming videos. That's more about YouTube gaming. 28, testimonials. Okay. Right. I'm going to come off this one and I'm going to go over to the next one, which is called, which is Google Trends. Here's the second method that I have for you. It's called Google Trends as usual. I'll link it in the description below, but we're going to go over to it and I'm going to go and show you the whole concept of it, what it's about. Basically, you go up, type in Google Trends, you go onto the website, normally the first one that comes up when you type it in, and you'll see on screen here, basically you can see, look, explore what the world is searching. So you could put in something like how to, you can put in like something like how to topic, and search it up, and when it decides to load, it's been a bit laggy. Come on, load up then, mate. Been a bit weird today. Yeah, basically, yeah, you can see here, look, how to topic, interest over time. Obviously, I've selected United Kingdom because that's where I am. Over the past 12 months, we'll go over the past, oh no wait, web search, we need to go with YouTube search, interest over time, let's go with past 30 days, so the past month. It'll bring up here, look, interest over time, July 91, yeah, let's go August 96, so it's going up, it's going down, it's going up, interest is up and down, up and down, up and down. But yeah, you get the concept of it. Basically you just, like, you can just type in any word. I mean, let's type in a different one, let's type in gaming, and obviously it'll come up again, past 30 days, interest over time, look, 100, that's July, August 3rd, 85, up and up and up to today's date, gaming 88. But yeah, you get the whole concept of it anyway. But as usual, I'll link my videos in the description down below, and I'm going to leave it at that for now. But as I always say, as I'm a small YouTube creator, don't forget to click on the big red button down below, yes, the subscribe button, smash it with everything that you've got. Also, the most important one, don't forget to leave a like on this video. Let's get this video to 50 likes. And again, the most important one also, turn on post notifications, so you will be keeping up to date with everything that I post. You'll be notified every time I post something new. And also don't forget to click on the bell icon next to it. And as I always say, go out there, be safe, be kind to one another. That's me done for now. Go outside, go have fun, go enjoy yourself, and I'll catch you all in a bit. Peace.
I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a f***ing jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain and mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down. strong. Wanna battle with the beast, bring a few on. The commander and the chief for my crew on. Bullets rattling and whistle at your toque. Never sleep, eyes open, hands clutching on my loop. This a war zone. This a war zone. Yo, this a motherfucking war zone. Feel the impact, yeah, break it open, leaving nothing f***ing intact. Hey yo, you been hacked, you're safe, hard in, but I found it, homie, been cracked.